Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Wipro started second phase hiring for the project engineer role, and in this program is open for all the engineering graduating students in the 2020, 2021 and the 2022. And in this hiring season they have the four types of programs for the project engineer role, like the Elite National Talent Hunt and the Turbo and the Star. And this is for the scholarship trainee work integrated learning program. Like for the Elite National Talent Hunt, the joining compensation is 3.5 lakhs per annum with the flat bonus post 6 months from the joining is 25,000. And for the Elite, the compensation is the 3.5 lakhs per annum and there is no flat bonus for the post 6 months. And for the Turbo, the compensation is 5.5 lakhs per annum with the 1 lakh retention bonus paid after 1 year completion and merged to the CTC after the 1 year. And for the Star, the compensation is the 10 lakhs per annum with a plus 1 lakhs retention bonus paid after 1 year completion. And work integrated learning program is for the scholarship trainee, which they provide the stipend also. This is main for the BCA and the BSc degree candidates, and remaining all the Elite, NTH, Star, Turbo, this is all for the B and BTech candidates. And in this video we will see how to apply for the Elite National Talent Hunt program, how to apply and the eligibility requirement, the compensation details and the selection process. All details we will see in this video clearly, so please watch the video until end. Wipro Elite National Talent Hunt program open for all the engineering students graduating in the 2020, 2021 and the 2022. So coming to the eligibility criteria, the qualification required for a candidate is the BE, BTech, MA, MTech, and it is the full-time course recognized by the central and the state government of India. In this program there is no part-time or the correspondence or the distance learning education, the degree 10th or the 12th, and all branches except the fashion technology, textile engineering and the agriculture and the food technology, remaining all branches are eligible for this program. And the year of passing is the 2020, 2021 and the 2022, and the one backlog is allowed till the offer stage. And candidate required the 60% or the 6.6 GPA in your throughout your education, like in your 10th, 12th and your BE, BTech degree. And the last date to apply for this program is the January 31st, 2022, and the remaining all the further process will be communicated through your registered mail. And coming to the evaluation process, there are the 4 steps. The first one is the registration. After completing this registration process, there will be assessment will be there, like your quantitative and the coding section. After passing this assessment stage, you have the business discussion, which is the TR and the HR round. So after passing this business discussion round, you will get the offer letter through their registered mail ID. And coming to the compensation flow, initially you will get the 3.5 lakhs per annum and flat bonus for 6 months from the joining. It is the 25,000 to be matched with the compensation after the 12 months of the bonus payout. Candidates who want to apply for this job profile, the candidates need to remember these points, like the candidates who are participated in any selection process held by the Wipro in the last 6 months, those candidates are not eligible. And one backlog is allowed at the time of assessment stage, and maximum 3 years of gap in education is allowed, like from 10th to graduation. And all the eligible and the interested candidates can apply for this job position. Go through the link in the description. After clicking on that link, you will be redirected to the page of Superset, which is the official site. Just click on the button register now. After clicking on that, you redirect to the Superset platform to apply for this job profile. Once again, check all the details, the job description, compensation and the eligibility criteria. After checking, just click on the button the apply for this profile. After profile, you have to add your resume. Add your resume and apply for this job profile from